case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2016, a legal wrangle targeted at defining the limits of federal district court authority came under scrutiny at the United States District Court for the District of Columbia, in a case known as United States v. Fokker Services BV. Central to this legal skirmish was whether the district court overstepped its authority over charging decisions in Deferred Prosecution Agreements, DPA's cases, and whether it exceeded its authorization under the Speedy Trial Act. In essence, the dispute sought to establish if a district court could enforce its interpretation of the law in charging decisions, or if it was confined to ensuring legal compliance. The case emerged when Fokker Services, a Dutch aerospace company, acknowledged potential violations of export control laws and sanctions. In response, the firm struck a Deferred Prosecution Agreement (DPA) with the government. This move was, however, opposed by the district court, which declined the request to defer the trial based on the Speedy Trial Act. The court voiced concerns over what it perceived as unwarranted leniency towards the company, as well as the absence of criminal charges against individual corporate officials. This ruling incensed the appeal court, which conclusively declared that the district court had overstepped its bounds. As per the higher court, the district court was not vested with the authority to block the suspension of time predicated on the government's charging decisions. This contentious case thus revolved around striking a balance between the leniency provided by DPAs and the stringent time limits stipulated by the Speedy Trial Act. Ultimately, the Court of Appeal overturned the district court's order, acceded to the government's mandate plea, corrected the lower court's refusal of the time exclusion motion, and sent it down for further proceedings. The higher court sided with the government, acknowledging that the district court's refusal could have wide-ranging destabilizing effects on a critical area of law.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind, leave the stress of class.